Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tirmala. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make bean chalupa at home, a healthy recipe in a healthy way. In this I'm gonna also add some masalas here, little bit of Indian style. Let's see the ingredients. 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, butter 1 tablespoon. You can add the melted butter or add the butter and leave it at room temperature for some time to soften. Half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, milk 1 cup. You might see here I'm adding first only half cup. I thought it was going to be enough, but that wasn't enough, so I had to add half more cup, so total of 1 cup to form a soft dough. Keep the dough aside covered for 30 minutes. Next, divide the dough into equal parts. I got 7 equal parts here, or 7 balls, so I could make 7 chalupas out of it. And then flatten each of the ball. Then take some dry flour and roll it out like a flat bread or chapati, like I'm showing you here. The chalupa bread should neither be too thin nor too thick. Then fry it on a pan on both the sides. I could make 7 chalupa breads out of the measurements I have provided. Next, for the filling, I have taken iceberg lettuce salad. To that I have added some chipotle salad dressing, and I'm adding some hot and sweet ketchup. Instead of the sour cream, for a healthy dose, I'm using here avocado cream. I've mashed the avocados and I'm adding a little salt and pepper. That's it, our avocado cream is ready here. Now fold the chalupa bread and add the fillings one by one. First I'm taking here the lettuce, next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cooked red kidney beans, or you could even take black beans, then some chopped tomato, then some cheese. I'm adding here mozzarella cheese. You could add nacho cheese as well, and a tablespoon of avocado cream. That's it. Our healthy homemade bean chalupa is ready here. If you like my video, please like, share, comment on my video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.